20 million American men are dealing with a receding hairline.
One dermatologist offers an interesting solution you may want to try.
Health specialist Denise Sedor has that, plus a look at the other common problems men face. Denise?
Well, David, men's skincare is a $7.6 billion industry, and that's not even counting what men spend on hair loss. There's a lot of myths and misconceptions when it comes to male skin and hair care, so we asked dermatologists to offer their help. If you're a man who's seeing a little thinning around your hairline, who do you blame?
For men's hair loss? Wait a minute. Females?
Dermatologists say it's a common misperception that baldness is inherited from your mother's father.
Well, it's easy to blame your mother usually for everything.
But doctors say that's a myth. Baldness comes from both sides of the family.
You're probably in trouble, though, if both your mother's side and your father's side are bald.
Dr. Robert Weiss with the Johns Hopkins School of Medicine says Rogaine and Propecia are proven to slow down hair loss. But there's another way to keep your hair. He says drink up. 2 glasses of wine a day prevent the liver from breaking down hormones responsible for balding. UCLA dermatologist Dr. Daniel Behroozan says while it's an intriguing theory, he doesn't buy it.
There's no scientific evidence to support that at this time.
At his practice at UCLA, Dr. Behroozan says he's seeing more and more men.
It's certainly the biggest increase in current visits is from men looking for procedures to look younger, to look better, and certainly I think men are starting to pay more attention to these things.
Another big concern for men is shaving. 80% say it's an irritating process.
It's terrible. You shave with a razor, bumps you up all around here.
The curlier your hair is, the more likely it is to, as it's growing, to grow back into the skin and create a bump.
To minimize the ouch factor, get the beard thoroughly wet. Shave with the grain. Don't repeat strokes and relax your skin. Finally, unwanted hair is a big problem for men.
That seems to be something that bothers women a lot about their mate.
But you can skip the waxing and shaving. New lasers can zap a back full of hair in less than 20 minutes. They work on faces, too.
It's starting to permeate into male consciousness that you actually can do things.
Industry experts say besides the surge in men's skincare products, men's shampoo and conditioner sales are also on the rise.